Hey everybody, so excited to be diving right into this masterclass. Now, what you're seeing right now is the main page for ChatGPT.com. This was created by OpenAI. These first few videos are going to be basics, and if you've been in the system a little bit, some of this information may seem redundant. I encourage you to watch these next few videos in their entirety before skipping around with some of the later, more in-depth videos in this course. I think a really strong understanding of the foundations of ChatGPT is essential to using the tool in an optimized way. So, right here, this is the search bar. This is where we will interact primarily with ChatGPT. Navigating over to the left side of the column, whenever you start a conversation with ChatGPT, it will save your conversations. Think about like tabs in a Google browser. So here are some previous conversations that I've had with ChatGPT in preparing to film this course. You'll see right here, you can clear all of your conversations out in order to make this navigation a little more seamless if you want to start over or you've been playing around with the system and you just want to free up some of this space. You can also delete individual conversations by clicking right here and then just clarifying with that check mark. We're going to go back to new chat. Again, you see this is the screen is white, can be a little hard on the eyes. You can also switch it to dark mode, which I typically prefer and will be using through the rest of this course. Something so exciting that I love that they've included natively within ChatGPT is an OpenAI Discord server. You may not be familiar with a Discord. It is a communication channel similar to Slack that allows people of similar interests to communicate through text, video, and voice chat. I highly recommend anyone who is really interested in becoming a professional using ChatGPT to get involved with the ChatGPT OpenAI Discord server. You're able to engage in a lot of great conversations and interact with people who are using ChatGPT actively. I think community is the most important thing in order to really get a good understanding of this tool. As well, through buying this course, you will gain access to the GPT agency Discord server. This is an advanced level Discord server specifically for people who have bought and taken this course. And you'll be able to ask some high level questions, interact with business ideas, copywriters, and interact with other content creators, people that are using this tool professionally. So we are going to dive right in. If you have never used ChatGPT, you may hear me say GPT chat or GPT-3. They're all interchangeable and perfectly good ways to refer to the system. I'd love to start out by asking a pretty simple, important question, which is, what is ChatGPT? So you see, it instantly starts responding with a really well done response to this question. ChatGPT is a variant of GPT, which is generative pre-training transformer. It's a language model that has been specifically designed for chatbot applications. It is trained on a large number of data sets of conversation transcripts and is able to generate human-like responses to a wide variety of inputs. Essentially, ChatGPT is able to hold conversations on a wide range of topics and can even include emojis and slang in its responses. The human-like conversational element of ChatGPT is unseen in anything that I have interacted with in AI. So this was formed, I told you earlier, by a company called OpenAI, which also created the DALL-E image generating system that you may have heard about. Its system Linza, which we'll talk about a little more later on in this course, has really been blowing up the digital art world. And I think I'd love to know, what is OpenAI? Get a little more background on this company. And OpenAI is a research institute. It's focused on advancing artificial intelligence in a responsible and safe manner. It was founded in 2015 by a group of entrepreneurs, researchers, and philanthropists with the goal of promoting and developing friendly AI. It conducts research in a variety of areas related to AI, including machine learning, robotics, and economics, and has released several widely used tools and resources for the AI community, such as the GPT language model and the RoboSumo robotics competition. OpenAI is committed to making its research and tools widely available and to fostering collaboration and transparency in the field of AI. So this is an AI language system. A lot of people will confuse this, especially people that aren't familiar with AI, thinking this is a search engine, which it is not. In fact, to note the differences, let's ask ChatGPT, is ChatGPT a search engine? How is it different? No, ChatGPT is not a search engine. A search engine is a tool that allows users to search for and retrieve information from the internet. ChatGPT is a language model, which means that it is a type of artificial intelligence that is able to process and generate text. While ChatGPT is able to generate responses to a wide variety of prompts, it does not have access to the internet or any external information sources, and it does not search for or retrieve information. Instead, it is able to generate responses based on the patterns and structures it has learned from the data it was trained on. Um, Again, this was trained on data. Something important and probably the biggest flaw in ChatGPT right now is that it is all indexed, all the information it contains. This is an offline system, is from before the beginning of 2022. And so while it can do amazing things like generate tons of copy, generate incredible business models, sales ideas, restaurant suggestions, do almost everything that a search engine can do, the one thing it lacks is information on current events. The two biggest uses of ChatGPT, in my perspective, are one, its business applications. That's number one. That is the thing that is going to make a lot of millionaires through ChatGPT. And the number two thing that ChatGPT does really well is it can be used as a search engine. In the next video, we'll be diving a little bit about how to do that.